This is Lego City Set 60025 Grand Prix truck from 2013 with 3 minifigures and 350 pieces. And now let's get started with the set. I'm starting with the toolbox we get with the set. You get the oil can right there. It's not the old version of that one from the 90s, and the drawers open up. If you wonder what happened to the tools, they are in the trailer, so don't worry about those. And then we get the open wheel Formula 1 inspired race car, and we get the sticker over here, there, over there is the sticker, there and over there. You get the steering wheel there and the tires on each side. Looks very neat. For a Formula 1 inspired race car, I think it makes sense. And we get the Octane logos going on here with the entire set, the entire theme, well, the entire team, if I can talk today, has the Octane logo going on there. Then we have the trailer, which you can remove off the truck, and here we have the main vehicle. We have a sticker over here, over there, and over there, and the doors open up. You get the lights on the top, and the roof can be removed. We get the steering wheel inside the truck, and yeah, it's a very decent build here as well. We get the taillights there on the back and the mirrors on the side. So that's fantastic to build, and a nice addition to a Lego City. And the last part of the set is the trailer itself. You get a sticker here, there, over there is a sticker, there, over there, there, and over there. So as you can see, very sticker heavy. You can open up the door here, and then the car can actually fit inside there. I mean, there should have been a ramp included with the set, so that the car can actually drive up very easy, but it's not the case here. The door opens up here, and now you can actually see the car inside the truck, or the trailer I should say. So that's very cool. And then these doors here can open up, and then you can see the tools and the spare tire. So that's cool. And I think it's a very simple build here, and this is the bottom of the trailer, and can be hooked up on the truck right there. And yeah, I think it's very nice. It also moves very well if you want to play with that. So I think that's very nice as well for if you want to maneuver the set around the city. And then we have the minifigures. Here's the first worker here, and there is from the front, the back without the accessories, from the back and the top. Now I lost the cap. And here is the second figure. Here's the lollipop here, which has a sticker there, and you get the earmuffs. There is from the front. Here is from the back without the cap, from the back and from the front. And now onto the third figure, who is the driver. There is from the back without the hammer, from the back, from the front. Interesting enough is that there's no trophy included with the set. I feel like they should have done that as well, but they didn't. Well, that's fine. And now let's get to the instruction manuals. There are 3 of them included with the set, and there are no mistakes, no missing pieces. This is the one for the race car and the toolbox. Then there's the one for the truck. And here we have the other sets on display. I don't have those sets in my collection though, which is unfortunate. And the last one is for the big trailer here, and that has the part list here. And then we get the police sets. I have the museum set here, and I have this set with Chase McCain. Don't have the smaller sets though. And there's the Coast Guard sets, which I don't have yet in my collection. Hopefully one day, not the priority right now, but they are very fun to collect as well. So, here's the box. And there's the box from the front. And the back. So overall, great set. Highly recommend you to get this set, and in the meantime, please like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget to check out my playlist for more Lego City videos I've uploaded there, as well as my website for some cool Lego stuff I've uploaded there. Hit the bell for notifications, and in the end screen you can find a link to another channel where I'm doing Lego content as well. Plus you can also find a link to another video, which has been suggested by the algorithm. I will see you over there.